Hi, I'm Livia.
And I'm Olivia.
And welcome to Live Magazine.
We're making this video to fill you guys in on what is happening next in 2014.
2013 was a really good year for us. We had so many fun photo shoots, contests.
I loved all of our photo shoots, especially the December one, the Alice in Wonderland shoot.
Fun.
So fun. What was your favorite thing, Liv?
I have to say that too, but I loved doing jewelry and accessory issues.
And those three great girls. And we are going to be moving forward with Live Magazine by just like making definitely a lot more YouTube videos for you guys. It's going to be basically all digital based.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching.